In this question, we have a particle moving in a straight line such that after t seconds its velocity v meters per second, where v is equal to 6t plus 12t squared. Okay, so the first thing we need to do here is find the average velocity during the first 2 seconds of motion. So seeing as it's an average velocity, it's going to be average value of a function. So writing down the formula here. So my limits in this question are going to be 2 and 0 because it's the first 2 seconds. Sorry, not b, that'll be 2 minus 0 of then 6t plus 12t squared. Okay, so let's integrate here. So 6t would be 6t squared over 2, then plus 12t cubed over 3. So this will simplify now to 3t squared plus 4t cubed. And that is between then 2 and 0. Then as well I have the half on the outside. Okay, so let's sub in 2 and 0 into this. So first of all, putting in 2, so we have 3 times 2 squared plus 4 then times 2 cubed. Minus then 3 times 0 squared plus 4 times 0 cubed. Okay, on that side. Okay, so putting this into my calculator, so 3 times 2 squared plus 4 times 2 cubed. That gets me 44. And then I'm just going to have 0 then. So I'm left with 44. Don't forget then about the half. So I have a half times 44. So the average velocity during the first 2 seconds will be 22 meters per second. Now, next bit then is the average acceleration between t equals 1 and t equals 5. So remember now, okay, in any of these questions, you have your displacement, then if you differentiate that, you have your velocity, then differentiate again, you have your acceleration. So what I need to do, I will need to differentiate the 6t plus 12t squared. So I have v is equal to 6t plus 12t squared. Then dv dt will be equal to 6 plus then 24t. And now I need to find the average acceleration between t equals 1 and t equals to 5. So now, average function, so it's between 5 and 1 over 5 minus 1. And then the integral of 6 plus 24t. Okay, so now let's integrate. So 6 will become 6t. 24t will be 24t squared over 2. So that will be 6t now plus 12t squared. And the limits are 5 and 1. And then I have a quarter on the outside. So let's sub in 5 and 1 now. So starting with 5, I have 6 then times 5 plus 12 times 5 squared minus then 6 times 1 plus 12 then times 1 squared. Now, so putting that into the calculator, I get 330 minus 18. So then 330 minus 18 is 312. And then remember, I need to multiply this by a quarter. And then that gets me 78 meters per second squared. And that then is the answer to that one.